Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at this building we got working on here, and you know what I forgot to do? A foundation. This is actually a slab on grade, but it does have a foundation, and that's going to be a like a crawl space. Not only in this case, it's just going to be compacted fill, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And we're going to use here stack walls to create a foundation because I don't want to have to do this over. So I'm going to change these walls out from what I got going here. Still not done. We've got the second level to finish on this area, and then we got this one pretty much done. So what we need to do here is we want to go to an elevation view. Just go on our west elevation here. And this level 5 I put in here, I'm going to call this foundation. So I'm going to set that there, and I'm going to go here, I'm going to call this, it could be top of footing. Yeah, it's actually going to be top of footing. So let's call this TOF, because I'm not going to show a foundation here. I don't need to. Let's call it foundation. What the hell? Okay. Yes. So now we have that level here, which is we're going to need. So now all these walls, these wonderful walls that I created, they're going to have to change. So let's shift to our 3D view here. And let me just tile these so we can see what's going on here. So, don't really rather have, well, that's okay. Let's tab them. What the hell? There you go. So I don't need to see that, but let's go into this 3D view. Now here, let's grab this wall right here. Actually, let's see, I gotta figure out the best way to tackle this without doing a lot of work. Okay, so a good way to do this is to just grab one of these walls. I'm gonna grab this one. Well, let's have this one first. I'm gonna grab this wall. I'm gonna go into my properties here, and then I want to change this wall. I'm going to edit this type, and you always need to duplicate. I'm going to duplicate. I shouldn't here. Well, I'm going to just duplicate this wall. I'm going to say W foundation. I'm going to just say, yeah, W FOUND. That's what it's going to be called. And then I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to go OK here. And it's going to do its thing. Could have did, well, we're going to try it this way for now. Okay, is it done? Okay, so now I'm going to select it again, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to change it into a stack wall, and I'm going to go with this one here, and that's good. That's the one I want. Now, as you can see, we've got some changes here. Some things changed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this guy here. I'm going to go Edit Type. Now here's that wall that we created. So what I'm going to do here, I want to edit the structure. And here you can see the highlighted. That's the bottom. That's the top. So on the bottom, I'm going to just change this to foundation concrete, and then it's the top, I'm going to change it to what the other wall we were using, that Adobe. If it's in here, please be in here. It would be make it a lot easier if it is. Oh, there it is right there. So we can use that. Cool, man. And then now here we got some things here. We can flip this guy. No, we can. Yep, we can, but we don't really need to. And then here we can. Now this depth. Okay, that's the height, 3 feet. Variable height. offset. Now offset basically, say if I want to move this over 3 inches, the bottom it is, just to line it up, apply. See that? Or let's just go with 0. That's lining up pretty well because I think our wall is 12 inches. So there's our new wall. So I'm going to apply it and say okay. Okay. So there's our new wall. The only issue now is we don't have the proper depth. So let's go look at our elevation view here. So this has got to come down to the foundation. So we just simply grab this wall and go into our base constraint here and go down to our foundation. Okay, so now we just take this all the way around now. Might get a little tedious, but this is what you got to do. It's better than, I think anyway, better than doing a whole foundation. So I'm going to select this. Well, actually, I'm going to match properties here. I'm going to modify, match. It's this guy with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to, actually, let's do all these. We'll drop them down later on. That one. Okay, that's some issue going on there. That one. That one. Come on. Really thinking there. That one. So this is good. This is a good way to use a stack wall. I'm just stacking. I'm just creating a foundation wall from an existing wall where I don't have to go back and, you know, start over or go underneath that guy. Okay, so now let's go and drop these down. I might be able to grab them all here. Let me see if I can tab select. Well, let's do a control here. I'll tell you what, let's just do one at a time. I'm not worried about it since this is such an easy way to do this for me. Take this down to my foundation. This one as well. Down to foundation. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I don't know if you subscribed or it helps me out subscribing or like these videos that I make. Or leave comments, or you got questions. I have several questions. Actually, this was a question for me because I realized I needed to show the foundation here. It's just going to be compacted fill because it's in Chicago area, Illinois, and they need to be 42 inches below grade. So all this is just going to be, you know, rock, gravel, sand. I've done a few projects like this, so you guys would know how that works. Now I've got to fix these walls here. I wonder if I can do this. Let me see if I can modify. This would be nice if I can do it, but I doubt it. This is such that. Okay, that's gotta. You still have to drop it down. It doesn't match the levels. Cancel. Oh, I don't know what's going on there. Okay. So I'm going to take this down to okay, I get out of that command. I'm going to select this and I can just find that wall here. There you go. Okay. Got a little issue there. I have to fix that. And let me see what's going on with this wall. Let me just match it. See if I can fix it that way. Okay. There we go. Let me get this one in here. Okay, now the base. Oh, that's why it's doing that. Okay, so I can take these down. Select this wall here. Got to get out of that command by hitting arrow and then selecting it and then I want to drop this down. Okay, that's what's going on there. So I'm going to go to foundation here. There you go. So I think we got them all in, but that's how you would use a stack wall to basically fix. I got some more walls around here. I think, actually I do. We've got one in the inside here. Yep. We want to save these, match these properties. And then I'm going to drop that guy down to foundation level. See that command there, you got to get out of it all the way. So there I got my wall. Now I'm going to go into my base constraint foundation. Bam. Okay. There's another wall in here. Yep. Let's get this one here. And that, okay, I'm going to do a match on that one as well. Just match him and him. Okay, drop that one down to getting warnings and everything. We'll find out later what those are all about. But I want to try. I'm trying to get around doing this because I should have basically did the foundation first, but they weren't really interested in that. They were more or less looking for floor layouts and everything. So there we go. There's our. Now let's go and look at this in our elevation. There's our grade line, and there's our foundation we added in. Now, what we need is a footing. So, I'm gonna go back into my 3D view, or you can, I mean, I like this where you can do a lot. I love doing in 3D, drawing in 3D. So I'm gonna go to structure here. I'm gonna go to isolated wall and go to the bottom of these. Yep, and drop my footing in. So that's it, guys. Very simple. We just added a foundation onto my building, my little project here. It's basically a rehab job, and this is already done, but city, they want to see this kind of stuff because you're not going to take a set of drawings with no plan and no, oh, what is this? Got to have foundation. In this case, it's a slab on grade. So let's look at this now. We're doing well. I think, sorry about that. Yep. So anyway, yep, that's it. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We got a few more little things here we're going to work on just to get this thing knocked out. But there's our, now we got a foundation. So now I'm going to go back into my elevation view. We've got our grade line here. I'll call this grade or level 1. Well, this is grade here. So that seems to work out pretty good. So hey folks, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and everybody be safe. Bye.